think chemistry is hard? Give me 60 seconds, I'll change your mind.
Energy in, energy out, that's what chemistry's all about. 1 step, 2 steps, doesn't matter today, the total heat stays the same. That's Hess's law, hey.
Take the long route, take the short route, science knows what it's talking about. Add reactions, flip the sign, add EDH, and you'll be fine.
No confusion, no more stress, follow the rules and you'll ace the test. Board exams, bring 'em on. With Hess's Law, you're never wrong. Hess's Law Rap. Add equations, reverse, change the sign, multiply DH. Chemistry can be fun. Hey! SM Educate Chemistry.
If this rap helped you understand, hit like and join the science band. Follow SM Educate Chemistry for more chemistry beats.